At this job we've just done. Oh, there's a security light I put in earlier. Just this office. That's lights on the sensor, and then come to the door. Another sensor. So we put some lights outside in the eaves there. And then we've got the lights, the spotlights inside. And then we put the day trunking along here, and along here. There's our network with the data points. There's our little fuse box and our underfloor heating. The beauty of the day trunking is you can always add to it, so we could put a corner on there, bring it along the wall here, along here, add up to that one. And then just obviously we can put a bigger switch in for the data and put as many points as you want in. So that's a good idea. Then we just come out here and we've done another little shed here for storage. There's another one of our Thorn motion lights. And then here we've just got a little strip light and 2 single sockets for 2 freezers. There's a 2-way switch over there, so it doesn't matter which door you come in. It's a bit overkill, to be honest, but we like to do things the hard way at the electrical. Then there's just a little board with 2 circuits on it, and that's a nice job. I mean, I think they should Airbnb it, to be honest. Nice. And then you got the view over the garden, which is a bit dark, so you can't see it. But yeah, nice job. Looks great. Another excellent job.